Well, as we said at the top of the hour, Todd, things are changing quickly. Beautiful day yesterday, and now it's going to feel like winter.
Yeah, this forecast is going to get your winter juices flowing. A lot of cold in it, some snow in it too. Tonight into tomorrow morning, there are a number of advisories and watches and warnings. The greatest amount of snow will be seen up in the mountains and across far northern Maine, but I do expect accumulation even down to the coastline. Right now, it's rainfall that we're seeing for the majority of us, but it's steady rain. So if you're about to hit the roads to go get some of those deals, the roads will be wet. You get up to the mountains more or less north of Route 2. That's where the snow is steadiest, and roads will start to slush up a little bit as we roll through the afternoon and approach dusk. Eastern Maine catching a break in Bangor and Brewer, but northern parts of the state and down East Maine seeing some light rain. And that's going to continue for a couple more hours before the change to snow. There are your temperatures. We're all safely above freezing, and even up north and in the mountains, it's a few degrees above that too. But as the low pressure center goes by us later on this afternoon and evening and gets up into New Brunswick, our wind is going to switch into the north, and that's going to draw down some colder air from Canada. Mid-afternoon, still raining for most, snow up in the mountains. This evening, though, after the sun goes down, that rain-snow line crashes to the coastline. We'll get into some steady periods of snowfall here, up until midnight for southern Maine and then after midnight for eastern Maine. But this is 6 a.m. Saturday, and we're down to just some snow showers in down east areas in the far north, and we're already starting to clear out. So it's only about a 3 to 4 hour period of snow in each region, eastern or southern Maine, where we get into some of this accumulation. We've got 3 to 6 inches for the mountains and for the north. Bangor probably sneaks into that 3 to 6 inch range, although on the low end. 1 to 3 inches Penobscot Bay and parts of the mid-coast, back through Lewiston and Augusta, Sebago Lake and into Bridgeton. Down to the south, along the south coast, it's a coating to as much as an inch. Roads probably are okay through the event and just stay wet, but can't rule out a little slush on some of the side roads through the evening and into the overnight. So please drive safely no matter where you are later on tonight after that sun goes down. In the wake of the storm tomorrow, it's blustery. It'll be bright, we'll clear out, we'll have a lot of sun, but it will be ineffective sunshine with highs only in the mid-30s. Same thing on Sunday, sunshine but breezy and cold mid-30s. The next storm forms in the mid-Atlantic. This one too will travel up the coastline, but it's actually going to take a farther offshore path than the one coming through now. So if we get any snow out of it at all, it'll just be a little brush along the coastline with some light snow accumulation. And right now that's kind of a stretch. So I wouldn't count on that storm just yet, but keep in mind it's several days away and things can obviously adjust. Gale watches are up for tonight and tomorrow once the winds pick up, but the majority of today is fine out on the water. Seas 2 to 3 feet, light variable wind, water temp still 52. Visibility obviously reduced in the rain and some fog out there. Rain and snow showers for the remainder of the afternoon. Will top out around 40 inland, low 40s along the coastline. And then we'll all be flipping to snow this evening and through the night. And several inches expected up north, maybe an inch or so along the coastline. Tomorrow we wake up to a couple of flakes, but then we're clearing out. It'll be cold again and windy. Chilly sunshine expected on Sunday, upper 30s. Monday we'll watch, may see a little bit of snow along the coastline, but there is no shortage of cold after this storm. 30s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, with a few more snow showers around too for the end of the week. Looks like Wednesday a little front comes in and some flurries for Thursday. Like I said, this will get your winter juices flowing, Rob.
Yeah, we always kind of wonder when that switch has been flipped. It really shows, yeah, we're into winter. It sounds like maybe it's happening.
It just happened.
All right. Thank you, Todd.